Say goodbye to messy countertops and hello to perfectly deboned chicken, all without ever touching the bird directly. This simple technique lets you master the Costco rotisserie chicken, keeping it contained within its bag for a cleaner process. First, let's get acquainted with our chicken while it's still in the bag. Gently press around to feel where the main bones are. You'll feel the rib cage and where the legs and thighs connect to the body. Now, grab your sharpest knife, make a tidy incision along one of the bag seams, just big enough for your knife. We want to create an opening without letting anything escape. Reach inside with your knife and begin by carefully separating the meat from the bones. Start with the thighs and legs, slicing close to the bone to free them from the carcass. See how the knife glides along the bone? This is key. Work your way around the thigh bone, cutting the tendons to release the entire leg and thigh in one piece. Next, focus on the breast. Slice along the breastbone, coaxing the tender breast meat away from the rib cage. The bag helps cradle the chicken, making this part surprisingly easy. Once you've made your cuts, gently pull the deboned pieces out of the bag. You'll be left with beautifully separated, ready-to-toast chicken. And there you have it, perfectly deboned chicken. Minimal mess, maximum meat, all prepped for your favorite salads, sandwiches, or casseroles. Enjoy your hassle-free chicken.